In this video, we will discuss what is continuous pharmaceutical manufacturing, process analytical technology, and regulatory constitution. Hi guys, welcome to my channel with another video. In this video, we will discuss continuous manufacturing in pharmaceutical industry and how it is implemented. We will discuss continuous manufacturing equipment and its design. We will discuss process analytical technology and how it is used in overall framework of continuous manufacturing. We will also discuss the structure of a PAT. In the end, we will discuss what are the regulatory constitutions for continuous manufacturing and see some guidelines of ICH and the United States FDA. So let's start. What is continuous pharmaceutical manufacturing? Continuous pharmaceutical manufacturing is the latest procedure of manufacturing pharmaceutical products. In this procedure, the entire production process consists of only one process, stage or operation. There is only a single stage as the product proceeds from raw material form to the final finished form. It eliminates all the intermediate stages such as product sampling, testing, holding, and the transferring from one piece of equipment or location to another. The manufacturing process is not stopped for sampling and testing purposes. Instead, all these monitoring procedures are performed online without halting or stopping the process. Single manufacturing process consists of all steps of a traditional manufacturing stage in a more concise, cost-effective, and productive manner. As the raw materials enter into the equipment, manufacturing is started without any additional arrangements or accessories. The entire manufacturing process continues until the final product comes out of the equipment. When the final product comes out of the equipment, only then manufacturing is stopped. Let's discuss equipment for continuous pharmaceutical manufacturing. Continuous pharmaceutical manufacturing is executed in specialized equipment which is different from traditional manufacturing equipment. All processes of traditional equipment are integrated into a single equipment. In continuous pharmaceutical manufacturing, product does not leave the equipment at any stage. It also eliminates the need of transferring intermediate product from one location to another or from one equipment to another. The output of each stage becomes the input of next stage without leaving the equipment. This chain continues until product comes out of the final stage from the equipment. Continuous pharmaceutical equipment has built-in feature for monitoring product at different stages for quality improvement and product safety. The intelligent system monitors the product at each stage without taking the sample out of equipment. It eliminates holding time for testing, sampling, and waiting for the results. The entire process monitoring procedure is performed online during the manufacturing process. It also enables online adjustment of process parameter during the product manufacturing. The automated intelligence system employed for online monitoring and process adjustment is called process analytical technology, short form as PAT. So let's discuss process analytical technology. Generally, PAT refers to any system that can perform online monitoring of production processes associated with many manufacturing industries, including the pharmaceuticals. It performs online testing at the equipment without stopping the process. The results are tabulated online with minimum time delay. PET allows online adjustment of process parameters as the process advances through its different stages of manufacturing. PAT allows greater control of product quality and process safety, which would become difficult with the traditional stop and test method. PAT works on the principle quality by design, where quality is ensured in the product during its manufacturing stage. Let's discuss structure of our process and analytical technology and see what are the important parts. Process and analytical technology is not a set of traditional analytical instruments. Instead, it is a comprehensive set of specially designed instruments with software analytics. Instrument can perform specific measurements in a minimum time period. They can also extract maximum data from the entire sample. This is in contrast to traditional instruments where separate sample is required for measuring different product parameters. Generally, PAT can be divided into two parts: analytical instruments and software analytics. Analytical instruments perform online product measurements and includes physical instrumentation system. Instruments are specialized that use light spectrum to monitor the process being carried out. The output of these instruments is a function of various wavelengths and frequencies. This type of data is called spectral data. Spectral data consists of relevant information for a process and product. Examples of such instruments include near-infrared and Raman spectroscopy. The second part of process and analytical technology is software system. Software processes the data and implements various analytical and algorithms. The software decides further action plan on the basis of the data collected by the analytical instruments. For example, software decides whether to increase or decrease chemical concentration on the basis of data collected by the analytical instruments. In the end, let's discuss what are the regulatory considerations of continuous manufacturing in pharmaceutical industry. Continuous manufacturing is a new concept for all stakeholders, including the regulatory bodies. Like other stakeholders, regulatory bodies are also developing guidelines and updating their regulations to make sure that the product from the continuous manufacturing is safe for human consumption and can deliver the desired therapeutic effects. The regulatory bodies are busy in providing guidelines for continuous manufacturing. For pharma industry, these includes ICH and the United States FDA. Example of guidelines include the ICH guideline regarding manufacturing of pharma products with continuous manufacturing is known as ICH Guideline Q13 on continuous manufacturing of drug substances and drug products. Scientific guideline. The guideline for United States FDA is known as Advancement of Emerging Technology Application for Pharmaceutical Innovation and Modernization. Another FDA guideline regarding continuous manufacturing is related to process analytical technology. This guideline is known as PAT-A, a framework for innovative pharmaceutical development, manufacturing, and quality assurance. Another FDA guideline, known as FDA Guidance on Process Validation, Continual Verification, is about the verification of process of continuous manufacturing system. This guideline is all about the modern techniques and application in pharmaceutical product development, quality principles throughout the product manufacturing cycle. Thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you immediately know whenever there is a new video. You can also read this article on PharmaSpec's website. Link is also in the description.